अगर आपके चेयर में पीछे कर्व है ऐसा है तो यू कैन पुट सम सीट, ठीक है। अगर सीधा है आगे की तरफ है तो रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। मेरी चेयर में कर्व है तो ऐसे सन सैल्यूट हम डिफरेंट तरीके से करते हैं। यहाँ पे जो चेयर वाला है वो ऑलरेडी सबसे ज्यादा बेटर है और ग्रेविटी पेशेंट, हायर पेशेंट और पीसीओ सबके लिए। यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस कितना रखना है, आपका पैर अंदर की तरफ नहीं है बाहर, ठीक है। दोनों पैर साथ में खुला बनाइए। नमस्कार, आपका पेट सीधा यहाँ पे जगह है। लिफ्ट करो, स्ट्रेच, अपर साइड पीछे जाना है, चेयर के ऊपर फोकस और लिफ्ट, वापस लिफ्ट करो आगे की तरफ, स्ट्रेच, दरवाजा को ओपन करें, बैक साइड जाइए, स्ट्रेच करो पूरा, चेस्ट अपर साइड पीछे की तरफ, एब्डोमेन टाइट, शोल्डर टाइट एंड रिलीज। One more time, stretch, take it deep. Open your both hands, lift your booty up and side and stretch and release and release. Check. नीचे जाएंगे, धीरे से go down. बालिकासना, आपका दोनों हाथ आपके दोनों पेट के आसपास आना चाहिए। ऊपर और deep, lift your booty up, stretch, go forward and then lift your body up, stretch, breathe out and go down. Breathe in, lift your body up, stretch, breathe out and down. Lift your body up, stretch, breathe out and down. Last time, lift your body up, stretch, breathe out and next, chill. The fourth asana, राइट लेग से स्टार्ट करेंगे। राइट लेग को बेंड करो, जैसे हम नीचे गए लिफ्ट करें, राइट लेग आगे की तरफ, राइट लेग को होल्ड करें, लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप, स्ट्रेच, पीछे की तरफ लेके जाइए, हेड डाउन, lift your body up, stretch, head down. This asana for thyroid tissue. Stretch and down. One more time, stretch, lift it up, and release. Last, stretch, upper side, and on to the next asana, look at both thyroid and stretch. Hold the lifted dandasana. Stretch and release. Right leg down, left organically. Stretch your upward side, head down. Stretch upward side, head down. Stretch upward side, head down. Last side, stretch upward and down. Left leg नीचे जाएगा, दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Stretch करो दिल को upward side. Go forward on one hand. Lift your booty up. ओके, चलो मेरे साथ करेंगे। जहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन करेक्शन करना है वहाँ पे आप कॉल करके करेक्ट करें, ठीक है। आपका कमर पीछे की तरफ है, दोनों पैर आगे की तरफ, पैर पे कोई फोकस नहीं है, आपके दोनों ही साथ। टेक इट ब्रेथ, टेक इट ब्रीथ, गो फॉरवर्ड, स्ट्रेच, open your both hands, lift your body up to the side and stretch completely. Breathe out and go down. Breathe in, right leg को bend करिए and stretch your body back. Breathe out and head down. Open your both legs and Dandasana. Take a deep breath, left leg back, stretch your body back. Breathe out and down. One leg नीचे दोनों हाथ ऊपर, stretch करो upper side. Go forward and down. Lift your body up, stretch it and repeat. Check. The second asana, take a deep breath, breathe out, breathe in, lift your body up, stretch, breathe out, go down, breathe in, right leg back and stretch, breathe out and down, breathe in, left leg, stretch it, breathe out, left leg back, stretch your body up Breathe out. Head down. Take a breathe. Lift your body up. Stretch. Breathe out. Go forward. Breathe. Lift your body up. Stretch. And the third cycle. Take a breathe out. Breathe in. Lift your body up. Stretch. Breathe out. Go forward. Right leg go back belly. And breathe out. And breathe down. Lift your body up on the abdomen. Breathe in, let the breath and stretch. Breathe out. Take the so that you take it breathe. Breathe out. Go forward. Breathe in. Lift your foot up and also now take it breathe. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right the breath in. And take it breathe. Breathe out. So take forward and stretch. Let go back to it. Lift your body up. Certainly. Breathe out. Like down. When you feel the light stretching, go forward on 5 seconds. Take it easy and lift your body up. And so this asana, take it easy. Go forward. Take it easy. Stretch your body up. Breathe out. And take them. Take it easy. Let it go back to it and stretch. Breathe out. And take down. Little bit open to you. And lift it down. Let it down. And stretch. Breathe out. And head down. Little bit easy. Lift the body go for side. Stretch. Go forward. Head down. Take it easy. Lift your body. Exercise enough. Take it easy. Breathe out. Breathe in. जितना भी खिंचाना पाते हो उतना भी खिंचाएंगे go forward. Head down. Take it easy. Right leg go bend slowly and stretch. Breathe out. Head down. Take it easy. Lift your body down. Left leg go bend slowly. Stretch. Breathe out. Head down. Little bend chin. Let's go. Stretch. Go forward. And head down. Lift your body up. Stretch. और भी कैसे करेंगे ये कंप्लीट कैसे एक्सरसाइज कर टेक इट ब्रीथ ब्रीथ आउट ब्रीथ इन गो स्ट्रेच गो फॉरवर्ड ब्रीथ इन टेक इट ब्रीथ लेफ्ट लेग को लिफ्ट करें स्ट्रेच ब्रीथ आउट हेड डाउन लिफ्ट योर बॉडी डाउन एंड लिफ्ट डाउन राइट लेग को बेंड करें स्ट्रेच करें ब्रीथ आउट हेड डाउन little bit easy, but not too good. Stretching, go forward, and down. Lift the body up, stretch, and second cycle from left side to 8 go forward, breathe, breathe out. Let it bend and stretch. Breathe out. Or they could stretch the knee and then right leg bend. Stretch the body up. Hop down, the ready to the wrong stretch, go forward, lift your body up, stretch, and third cycle on the left side, take it easy, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, let it bend, breathe, breathe out, little bit forward belly, and then that's enough. Right leg bend, and stretch, go forward, and the belly deep. Let go of the breath and breathe out. Take a deep breath and lift the belly up. And fourth cycle, take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch. Go forward. Breathe out. Let it go and stretch. Breathe out and go forward. Till like a straight leg. And with that, let it go and stretch. Go forward. And then little baby G to my stretch and go forward on the bottom. Little baby up. Stretch and six the tiger. Take it deep. Go forward. Breathe in. Stretch it. Breathe out. Go down. Let that one stretch. Take it deep. Breathe out. Head down. Little back straighten. Stretch. Right leg go down. Little body up. Breathe out. Head down. Little back deep. Lift it up. Stretch. Go forward. And down. Lift it up. And stretch. And so 12 cycles. Take it deep. Go forward. Stretch. Take it deep. Body down. Head down. Then take a big breath. And stretch. Go forward. Head down. Little bit straight. And body down. Right leg go bend and stretch. Head down. Little bend into. Lift your foot up. One. One. Lift it up and stretch. We completed the 12 cycle. ठीक है चलो थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे एग्जाम की तरफ आपको दिखाऊंगा आप पैर आगे की तरफ है थोड़ा फास्ट जाएंगे दिस इज द सिंपल एक्सरसाइज एक मुद्रा नमस्कार go forward straight take a deep breath back side go forward on Padasana right leg go bend stretching body up go forward Jalasana lift it up go take a straight belly stretch lift it up left leg go bend go down little bit नीचे lift your foot to the side go forward right on Padasana lift your body up stretch and let's go. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe it out. Go forward. Breathe out. Right leg momentum. Switch. Janasana. And repeat. Third leg go straight belly. Lift it up. Left leg momentum. Switch. Head down. And release. Third leg reaching. The arm is first. Stretch your body. Go forward. And top is down. Lift your body up. Stretch it. And the third cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, open your forehead, take a deep breath, go backward, go forward, and breathe out, right leg go down, right knee, head up, breathe out, head down, little bit open belly, stretch on Tandasana, let it down, stretch your body up, head down, and release, little bit नीचे, दोनों हाथ ऊपर, stretch. Padasana, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretch and take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, open your forehead, go backward side, go forward, on Padasana, lift your right leg up, stretching, go forward, belly, don't get the stretch belly, on Dandasana, let it bend, press it down, stretch your body outside, head down, on Janasana, the नीचे lift कर दो वहाँ go forward on the Padasana, stretch, lift your body up, stretching and massage. The fifth cycle, take a deep breathe out, take a deep breath, open your forehead, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर को स्ट्रेट कर दो, लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप, लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड करें, स्ट्रेच, हेड अप, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, दोनों हाथ ऊपर, stretch करो body को ऊपर साइड, move forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift your body up, and let's go. The sixth cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, take a deep breath, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, on Padasana, lift your right leg up, stretch your body up, head down, little bit of seated and stretch, on an Dandasana, lift your neck leg up, stretch your body up, head down, and release, little bit niche, lift it up, go forward, on Padasana, stretch, take a deep breath, lift your body up, and the sixth cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, go back to side, go forward, on Padasana, right leg को bend करें, stretch, take a deep breath, head down, दोनों पैर को straight कर दो, lift your body up, stretch, left leg bend, lift your body back, go forward, on Janusarasana, दोनों पैर नीचे, lift करो दोनों हाथ को ऊपर की तरफ, stretch, go forward, on Padasana, lift your body up, stretch, and चलो लेफ्ट साइड से करेंगे, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your feet up, go back, go forward, on Padasana, left leg को bend करें, stretch, head up, head down, दोनों पैर को सीधे कर दो, stretch, lift it up, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, lift करो body को ऊपर side, stretch it, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretch, and take a deep breath, breathe out, breathe in, stretch, go forward, on the Padasana, take it breathe, left leg को bend करें, and stretch, दोनों पैर को straight कर दो, lift it up, right leg को bend करें, and stretch, head down, lift it up, दोनों पैर नीचे, दोनों हाथ ऊपर, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretch, and the third cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, take a deep breath, lift your body up, go forward, on Padasana, lift your left leg up, stretch it, head down, दोनों पैर को सीधे कर दो, stretch, right leg को bend करें, left leg down, stretch your body up, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, दोनों हाथ ऊपर, stretch करो, go down, on Padasana, lift it up, stretch, upper side, and the fifth cycle, take a deep go forward, breathe in, stretch your body out, go down, and breathe. Left leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर को सीधे कर दो, stretch it, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, lift करो body को upper side, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretching, and the 24 cycle. Take a deep breath, go forward, take a deep breath, lift it up, go forward, on Padasana, take a deep breath, left leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, and breathe, दोनों पैर को open कर दो, stretch it, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head up, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, lift करो body को ऊपर side, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and स्ट्रेच चलो वी कंप्लीटेड 24 ठीक है मैं वापस से ट्रांसलेट जाती हूँ ताकि आपको फास्ट करा पाऊँ अभी और फास्ट करेंगे 30 सेकंड में एक कंप्लीट करना है अगर आपका बैक पे भी लो नहीं है और बैक साइड में ना कुछ भी हो बिकॉज दिस एक्सरसाइज इज एक्टिवेशन ऑफ स्पाइनल एंड लोअर चलने का मुद्रा आपके लिए साथ है लेकिन बीच में जगह नहीं है टेक a deep breath, move forward, lift it up, stretch, backward side, go down, head down, right leg go down, stretch करें, head up, head down, दोनों पैर को lift कर दो, stretch, left leg को bend करें, head up, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, दोनों हाथ को उठाओ, backward side stretch, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and sky. The second cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, lift your body up, breathe out, go down, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, lift your both leg up, stretch it, left leg को bend करें, head up, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, stretch करो upper side, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and the third cycle, take a deep breath, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, head down, left right leg को bend करो, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर को सीधा कर दो, stretching, knee bend, left leg bend, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, lift करो body को upward side, go forward, on to other Prasanna, lift your body up, stretching, and the fifth fourth cycle, take it deep, breathe out, breathe in, stretch, breathe out, head down, lift your body up, stretching, head up, head down, body को stretch कर दो, stretch, left leg को bend करो, lift your body up, breathe out, and head down, दोनों पैर नीचे, दोनों हाथ ऊपर, stretch करो, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretching, and this cycle, take it deep, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, back it back, breathe in, breathe out, दोनों पैर को सीधा करो, straight, take it deep, breathe out, let it bend, lift your body up, head down, little bit easy. Lift your body go for side, go forward, head down, take it deep, lift it up, stretch, and the sixth cycle, take it deep, go forward, stretch, lift it up, go backward, go forward, one part is now, take it deep, lift your leg up, stretch it, head down, little bit सीधा कर दो, stretch, left leg को bend करें, take it deep, stretch, breathe out, head down, little bit नीचे, lift करो the पूरी proper side, stretch completely, go forward, on Padmasana, lift your body up, stretching, and then stop. The fifth cycle, take it deep, breathe out, breathe in, stretch, breathe out, head down, right leg को bend करें, and stretch, head down. So then you sit up and do stretching, left leg को bend करें, lift it up and stretch. So then you do one, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretch and check the last cycle from the right side, take a deep breathe out, lift it up, stretch, breathe out, head down, right leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर को सीधा कर दो, stretch, right leg, left leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, दोनों पैर से नीचे ऊपर, lift your body up, stretching, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, stretch, and चलो लेफ्ट साइड से करेंगे, take a deep breath, go forward, breathe out, stretch, left leg, head down, and lift your body up, left leg को bend करें, stretch, head down, and then पूरा करें, तो straight कर दो, lift it up, right leg को bend करें, stretch your body up, head down, दोनों पैर से नीचे ऊपर, lift करो body को ऊपर side, go forward, and stretch, lift your body up, stretch it, and then start. The second cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, take a deep breath, lift your body up. और लेट इट और Balasana, stretching, left leg को bend करें, lift your body up, stretch, head down, and release. दोनों पैर को स्ट्रेच कर दो, और Balasana, and release, right leg को bend करें, stretching, head down, and release. दोनों पैर को bend करें, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, lift your body up, stretch, and then sky. The Third cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, on the side, go forward, on Parasana, lift your leg up, stretch it, head up, head down, lift your body up, on Dandasana, right leg go bend, stretch your body up, head down, and release, so the body of the people, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, on Parasana, lift your body up, stretch it. The third cycle, take a deep breath, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. The fourth cycle, take it breathe, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. So this cycle, take it breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. And the sixth cycle, take it deep, go forward, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, six, लास्ट 12 हल्दी के साथ करेंगे उसके बाद थोड़ा पानी ठीक है तो मुद्रा हल्दी वन टू थ्री फोर एंड breathe out stretch break the color out 1 2 3 4 5 open your mouth go back and stretch 1 2 3 4 5 go forward breathe out and stretch 1 2 3 4 5 lift your body up right leg go back stretch 1 2 3 4 5 head down 1 2 3 4 5 go back to straight control and stretch it 1 2 3 4 5 write it down left for belly and stretch 1 2 3 4 5 head down 1 2 3 4 5 go to bed lift your body up stretch 1 2 3 4 5 go forward and then 1 2 3 4 5 lift your body up stretch 1 2 3 4 5 and breathe and relax थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे लास्ट 12 साइकिल ठीक है कोई लीड नहीं करेगा कोई नहीं करेगा आपका क्वेश्चन करेक्ट होना चाहिए अपनी चेयर से थोड़ा आगे ठीक है यहाँ पे सपोर्ट ले लो अगर आप कर हैं तो आपकी चेयर पर नहीं जाना hold it take it breathe out right leg go down, right belly, stretch, head down, lift your body up, stretch, right leg down, left over belly, stretch, head down, little bit नीचे, little up ऊपर, fall forward, on Padmasana, lift it up, stretch, and take a deep breathe, breathe out, breathe in, 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 head down, take a deep breathe, breathe out, and first cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, stretch, breathe out, head down, right leg over belly, stretch, go forward, and then little bit of straight belly on the asana, left leg over belly, stretch, head down, and then lift your body up, stretch, go forward, and head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and then start. One cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch your body up, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, then take a switch to the head down, go to the stretch to the lift it up, left leg stretch, head down, lift it up, stretch, go forward, and lift it up, stretch, and the fourth cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch your body up, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, rest the switch to the head down, go to the jump, stretching, right leg down, left leg stretch, head down, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and one more time, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch your body up, lift it up, go down, head down, lift your body up, stretch it, go down, little bit, straight body, lift it up, right it down, left leg stretch, head down, little bit, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and the sixth cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, take a deep breath, lift it up, go down, head down, lift your body up, right leg bend, stretch, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, little bit up, one, stretching, right leg down, left leg bend, and stretch, head down, lift it up, little bit, lift your feet off the side, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and breathe, jump. The sixth cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, stretching, go forward, baby, let the body stretch, head down, little bit, stretch body, lift it up, write it down, let the body stretch, head down, and then little bit for paper, lift the body go for side, go forward, head down, take it free, lift it up, and opposite side also can be, next side also can be, take it free, go forward, stretch, lift it up, upper side, go down, one down, take a left leg up, stretching, head up, head down, go to straight to the stretch, and breathe, right leg go down, lift your body up, head down, go to the feet, stretch the feet, upper side, go forward, and breathe, take a deep breath, and stretch, and shift. The second cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, go forward, head down, left leg forward, stretch, head up, head down, perfect. The sit down also stretching, left leg down, right foot vertically, stretch your booty up, head down, to the neck, lift the booty over side, stretch, go forward, head down, take a deep breath, lift it up, and the third cycle, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift it up, stretch, go forward. Follow thumb, lift your breath up, stretching, head up, head down, little bit, sit down, stretching, right leg over the head down, little bit, lift your leg over the side, stretch, go forward, head down, take it easy, lift it up, hold side up, take it easy, go forward, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, take it easy, left leg over the stretch, breathe out, head down, perfect, sit down again, stretching, left leg down, left leg over the stretch your legs off one side, head down, lift the legs off one side, stretch, walk forward, head down, take this three, take your body out, and again. The last 48, we completed the 14 rounds. Take it three, go forward, stretch, do not go with the knee, go with the side, stretch, go forward, head down, left leg stretch, head up, head down, little bit, lifting down, stretching, left leg down, right leg over, stretch, head down, little bit, lift the body over side, stretching, go forward, and over here, take it easy, stretching, and ready, chill. The three C's, okay, we completed 48, after 3, we are going to do 51. चलो फिर से जल्दी करके एक एक चलो हम निकाल देंगे ताकि हम बैक स्ट्रेचिंग करेंगे थैंक यू फॉर द पार्ट के निकाल स्ट्रेच करें देखो मुद्रा नमस्कार गो फॉर स्ट्रेच हार्ड करें यस फ्री लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप स्ट्रेच दिमाग को ऊपर करिए स्ट्रेच और डीप स्ट्रेच करो बॉडी को ऊपर साइड एंड हॉल go forward and back. Head down. Take it easy. Lift your body up. Right leg को पकड़िए. Stretch. Lift it up. पीछे भी करिए. Head down. And breathe. दोनों पैर को सीधा करिए. Stretch. And release. Right leg down. Left foot enter. Stretch. पीछे पूरा body को ऊपर. Head down. And release. दोनों पैर को सीधा. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. उठाओ body को stretch करो. Go with the side and stretch. Go forward and head down. Take it easy. Lift your body up. Stretch up one side and then opposite side also करेंगे left side. Leg को tight करें. Yes, your feet. Stretch your back muscle and your fingers your belly. Stretch. Take it three. Go forward. Stretch. Open your both hands. Go back and stretch. Go forward and head down. Take it three. Left leg को lift करो. Stretch. Breathe out and head down. Little bit of stretch karo and stretch. Left leg down, right leg को bend करें and stretch. Head down and release. Little bit of stretch. Lift करो body को ऊपर stretch. Go forward. Head down. Lift it up and stretch. And चलो the last 51. ठीक है और ये के साथ करेंगे आपके दोनों पैर को ऊपर stretch करें breathe breathe out open your both hands breathe breathe out breathe right leg open breathe out head down breathe दोनों पैर को breathe out let it down, straight and forward. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and release. And wonderful. चलो completed 51 योगासना of the chair sensation. आपकी हैंडल वाली चेयर है, हैंडल पकड़िए, अदरवाइज आप नीचे का पोर्शन पकड़ सकते हैं, ठीक है? थोड़ा पीछे चला जाइए and start it. 1, 2, the basic exercise for taking 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch करो, go down, lift it up, stretch, 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 go down. Last time, lift it up, stretch, go down. फिर मेरे को आगे लेके चलिए and stretch. Open your both hands, both legs, stretch and release. And relax one more time, stretching and release. Last time, stretch and release. And चलो राइट लेग को स्ट्रेच करिए, लेफ्ट लेग पे लेफ्ट को स्ट्रेच करिए, राइट लेग पे उठाना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and ready. अब चेयर को पकड़ के रखना, ठीक है? एक चीज तक ना जाए, उठना नहीं है, दोनों पैर को नीचे लेके जाइए, जितना ले पाते उतना एंड स्ट्रेच, बेंड एंड स्ट्रेच, बेंड एंड स्ट्रेच, बेंड and stretch, bend it and stretch. Last time, bend it and stretch. And release. दोनों हाथ को पीछे लॉक करें, आपके चेयर के पीछे लॉक कर पाते हैं तो चेयर के पीछे stretch, नी पीछे and release. Go down, lift it up, stretch and release. One more time, stretch it, lift it up and release. Last time, stretch and release. चलो दोनों पैर को आगे लेके चलते हैं, अब जितना उठा पाते उतना, ठीक है? हैंडल को छोड़ दो, पैर को पकड़ लो, अब जितना उठा पाते उतना, अब यहाँ तक लेते हो तो वहाँ तक, अब यहाँ तक लेते हो तो स्ट्रेच, होल्ड करिए, होल्ड इट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. लो राइट लेग को नीचे लेके जाइए, लिफ्ट इट अप, लेफ्ट को नीचे लेके जाइए, लिफ्ट इट अप, राइट को नीचे लेके जाइए, लिफ्ट इट अप, लेफ्ट को नीचे लेके जाइए, लिफ्ट इट अप. Last time, go down, release, go down, stretch करो, जितना पकड़ पाते हो उतना stretch. थाई मसल्स को रिलीव करेगा, बैक मसल्स को रिलीव करेगा, और लीन एंड all day and release. Yes. हम प्राणायाम करें, दोनों हाथ आपके नीचे ऊपर, पैर को थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके, पूरी तरह रिलैक्स करके और ब्रीथ इन, सांस अंदर, breathe out, in, out, in, out. Last time, in and release. दोनों हाथ आपके थाई के ऊपर, stretch, in, out, in, out, in, out. Last time, in and out. चलो आपका राइट हैंड है वो नाभि के ऊपर रहेगा, लेफ्ट हैंड टुवर्ड्स टू योर हार्ट. टेक अ ब्रीथ, अमेरिका ब्रीथ करना है, चेस्ट के ऊपर फोकस नहीं करेंगे, दिल के ऊपर फोकस करेंगे. सांस भरो, ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रेच, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last time, breathe in, breathe out. And release. Open मुद्रा, सीधा साथ में hand को open करके रखिए, हाथ दिखाई के ऊपर. Exhale outward, stretch, take a deep breath. Normally, close your eyes. Breathe out. Breathe out. In, out. In, out. Last time. In and out. And one. And the room moves on your face, neck, back of neck, chest, abdomen, and the next chair. Today we completed the 51 century of ये सूर्य नमस्कार क्या बेनिफिट करता है, हमारे एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम को हेल्प करता है, ठीक है, डायबिटीज को, थायराइड को और पीसीओडी को, सभी के हार्मोनल बैलेंस करता है। आज का जो डाइट है वो एंजाइमेटिक डाइट बोलते हैं। जब भी खाना खाएं आप फ्रूट और वेजिटेबल को मिक्स करके खाएं ताकि आपके बॉडी में प्रॉपरली एंजाइम को हम बना पाए, ठीक है। चलो नाउ वी आर ओपन। टुमारो वी आर गोइंग विद द चेयर सन सैल्यूट, इट्स कॉल्ड द ऑफिस सूर्य नमस्कार। चेयर के ऊपर बैठेंगे नहीं, लेकिन चेयर का सपोर्ट लेके करेंगे। जहाँ पे भी काम करते हैं वहाँ पे हम कम स्पेस में भी कर पाए, उसको बोलते हैं ऑफिस सन सैल्यूट, ठीक है। चलो नाउ वी आर ओपन। कोई क्वेश्चन